Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chicken donuts. If you want to have something crispy and spicy for your iftar, then try making chicken donuts. For this recipe, we need 500 grams of boneless chicken cut it into small pieces, 1 red onion chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 1 potato boiled, salt to your taste, corn flour 1 tablespoon, all-purpose flour 2 tablespoons, breadcrumbs half cup, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Blend all these things together in the food processor. I'm adding half teaspoon garlic powder and 1 teaspoon onion powder. I mix all the ingredients together until everything combined, and after that I am going to refrigerate for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, take out the mix from the refrigerator and apply a little oil on your hand and mix everything well. You can make equal size balls first, and then you can flatten it with your hand and make a circle. You can press the center with a bottle cap, or you can even make the hole with your hand. Same way you can make all the chicken donuts and set aside. For coating, you need to keep everything ready. For that, I'm using 2 eggs beaten and half cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of breadcrumbs. First coat it with the all-purpose flour, then dip it in the egg and then coat with breadcrumbs. Keep it in the freezer for 10 minutes before frying. If you keep them frozen coated with breadcrumbs, they can be stored for 2 weeks. Heat oil in a pan and you can fry them on low to medium flame till golden brown and crispy, about 8 to 10 minutes. You can turn the sides and cook until it's crispy and brown. Once it's ready, take out to drain on the kitchen towel. Chicken donuts are ready. You can serve hot with your favorite sauce and enjoy. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.